So today's tip, we're going to see how to create a Procore inbox in Outlook to tidy things up. Anyone who's using Procore regularly will recognize the frustration of having all your emails from real people mixed together with notifications from Procore in one inbox. So first thing we're going to do is create a secondary inbox, call it whatever you like. We're going to call ours inbox Procore, and we're going to add that to favorites and push it right up underneath our regular inbox, so really nice and easy to find. Now the next thing is to grab a notification email and click on the sender. What you'll notice is that Procore actually masks this as someone, but in reality everything comes from a procoretech.com email address. So we're going to grab that email address, go back to that particular email, and we'll create a new rule in Outlook. So what we're going to do is go to advanced settings and uncheck the from, and we're going to use with specific words in the sender's address, and we're going to paste in that email address and just remove everything except for the words Procore Tech, no space, and add that as the key search criteria. Step to next, and we're going to ask to move it to a specific folder, and here we're going to grab the Procore inbox folder that we just created. You can call it whatever you like, put it wherever you like. Some more advanced options if you like, and we're also going to run this on the current inbox because it's already looking there at the moment, just to clean everything up and push that straight to our new Procore inbox. And as soon as we do that, we'll notice everything is cleaned up and we can go straight to the Procore inbox, which will push all new notifications from Procore to a dedicated inbox. So your inbox, the real one at least, is now from real people. We also recommend using conversation views to thread the notification emails together.